Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this algebra equation of m minus n equals mn equals n divided by m, and to find the value of m plus n in this. Let's get started. So here we have m minus n. So we're going to let it equals mn, and I will call this one equation 1. And again, mn equals n over m, or we have n over m equals mn. So by going for n divided by m equals mn, so which I will call this one equation 2. So next, we have this equals mn, this equals mn. Can we simply let m minus n equals n over m? So if we do that, it means we're not going to get the answers, and the equation doesn't make sense like that. So what I will do is, let's say I start solving from this equation 2, which is n over m equals mn. And we have from equation 2, so here is n divided by m equals mn. And if I cross multiply, we are going to have n equals m will multiply m, which is m square, then here is n. So by taking the whole of this here, we have n minus m square n equals 0. So here we have n that is common here. We factor it out, and here we have n bracket 1 minus m square equals 0. And next, we are going to have n equals 0, or 1 minus m square equals 0. So therefore we have n equals to 0, or 1 minus m square equals 0. But to get the whole value of m, suppose I say this is 1 square, which this one shows that is a difference of 2 square, which you can write it as 1 minus m bracket, open bracket, 1 plus m equals 0. And next, so 1 minus m will be equals to 0, or 1 plus m equals 0. So therefore the two values of m here is m equals 1, or m equals minus 1. But does that give the solutions? We need to verify. So from this equation 1, which says m minus n equals mn, suppose I plug in the value of n here, which is equals 0, and when m equals 1. So the equation is not going to make any sense, because this n equals 0 is not valid at this stage. So let's check for, let's say, when m equals to 1. What we are going to have here is 1 minus n equals n. And 1 minus n equals n, we are going to have 1 equals n plus n. So which is 1 equals 2n. So we get the value of n here, which equals 1 divided by 2. And also, when m equals minus 1, we have to check for this as well. So here we are going to have 1 minus, so which is negative 1 minus n equals minus n. So this cancels this, or we have minus 1 equals minus n plus n. So at this point, minus 1 is not equals to 0, which means at m equals minus 1 is not the solution here. So it is only when m equals 1, n equals 1 over 2 gives the solution to this problem. And we have to verify the real, if these two are really satisfied. From the equation we have m minus n, which equals to unknown, and here we have m and minus n, as m equals 1 minus and n equals 1 over 2, which means the whole of this is 1 over 2. And again, we have mn, which is also 1 divided by 2. And finally, we have n divided by m. So n is 1 over 2 and m is 1. And everything is also 1 divided by 2, which means these two values satisfy this. And what we are asked to calculate is m plus n. So for the value of m plus n, so just try to plug it in this, which equals m is 1 plus and n is 1 divided by 2. So 1 plus 1 over 2, this gives 3 divided by 2. And here is the result. And as usual, we are done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content, and I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.